Hello, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Alex and I'm going to demonstrate how you search for and locate books in the Warburg Institute Library. So the easiest way to find books in the Warburg is through our online catalogue, which you can access through one of the library's computers. If you're using your own personal device, just open up your web browser and type the phrase Warburg Library Catalogue into your search engine. Click onto the library's website and then click onto the full catalogue link on the library's homepage. When using the quick search function, make sure that your location is set to the Warburg Institute collection before searching. Then type in what you're after and you'll find everything in the collection that matches your search term. You can also specify your search to author, title, a keyword or phrase, or by subject heading. I'm going to be searching by author today. Now, when searching by author, it's important to put the author's last name first, otherwise you'll end up with very skewed results. When you've navigated to the items page, you'll see its class mark listed here. The Warburg uses a unique classification system designed by the library's founder, A.B. Warburg. Each item's class mark is composed of 3 letters and a number. The first letter of the class mark will tell you which floor the item is located on. D, F, and H can all be found on the 4th floor, B, G, and A are located on the 3rd floor, E and N can be found on the 2nd floor, and C is on the 1st. Reference material labelled RR can be found on the ground floor, and K, C, R, and periodicals labelled P can be found in the basement. Now, the class marks are not organised alphabetically, so when you get to the right floor, you'll need to check the location list, which is located at the entrance of each floor. Using this and the last 2 letters of your item's class mark, you should be able to find out the bay number of the item that you're looking for. There is also a digitised version of the location list, which can be accessed through the library's catalogue by clicking on the classification link at the top of the page. There, you'll be able to find a detailed breakdown of the Warburg's classification system and the bay number of each class mark. Each individual class mark is arranged numerically, so the numbers at the end of your item's class mark will tell you where in that class mark the item can be found. Numerous items will have the same class mark. For example, there are 2 items in the Warburg's collection with the EMH810 class mark, so when you get to the shelves, you'll need to dig around a bit to find what you're looking for. When you have located your item, it's important to fill out a reference card, which can be found in stacks on each floor, and leave that on the shelf from where you've taken the item. This is because we're a reference library, and it's important for us to be able to keep track of where each item in our collection has gotten to. When you're finished with your item, please don't reshelve it yourself. Instead, return it to one of the reshelving trolleys located on each floor and place it on the reserve shelves, which can be found in the reading room. Just to note a few last things about the way the Warburg's collection is organised. It is also important to check the location of your desired item. Most items will be located in the Warburg's main collection, but bigger items will be placed in the large size collection, which is kept in separate bays on each floor and uses a different location list. Although almost all of our collection is located in the open stacks, a small number of fragile or old books are kept in the rare books room. In order to view this material, please visit the reading room and talk to a member of staff who will be happy to fetch the item for you. Some of our rare books collection has been digitised and is now available remotely as part of our digital collection. A scan of these items can be accessed on the items page in the catalogue or by searching through the Warburg's digital library. While you might be coming to the Warburg with a particular item in mind, we do encourage our users to freely browse our collection. A.B. Warburg designed his classification system around the law of the good neighbour, or the principle of serendipity, the idea that the item most valuable to your research might not be the one you're searching for, but the one above or below it. There are many fascinating items on our open stacks, so have a look around and see what you stumble across. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you enjoy your visit.